Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. If your Instagram Messenger update not showing, then this video is for you. Watch complete video to learn how to fix Instagram Messenger update not showing. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix it. First of all, open Instagram app from your mobile phone. Click on profile icon in right bottom. Now click on three lines at top right. Click on settings. Here you have to choose help. Now choose report a problem option. Here you have to disable shake phone to report a problem option in the bottom and click on report a problem. Here you can describe your problem briefly. You can also attach a screenshot. Now I am going to write the Instagram Messenger update is not showing up for me. Please fix this issue. Now click on next at top right. Here you have to choose send report option and click on close. Your issue will be resolved within a week. This is the easy and simple way to fix Instagram Messenger update not showing problem. Like and share this video if it works well for you. Also subscribe our Let Me Guide channel and press bell icon to get more problem solving videos. Thank you.